Hi, my brilliant chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare a decadent but simple leek and feta pasta. What I used to prepare this dish was a couple fresh leeks, a small chunk of feta cheese, fettuccine pasta, but any kind of pasta will do, plus some good olive oil and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Start things off by filling a pot with water and bring that to a boil. Once that reaches the boil, add the pasta. Here, I'm using fettuccine. You could use whatever you want. Rigatoni works well, penne works well, and any kind of pasta works well. If you're cooking a pasta dish, use whatever pasta you like. Use whatever pasta you have on hand. Pasta, I almost said pasta is pasta. My grandma would slap me in the back of the head if I did that. But if you're going to cook pasta, whatever sauce you're going to eat with said pasta is going to taste delicious no matter what kind of pasta that sauce is clinging to. Use whatever you have on hand and whatever you enjoy. This is your meal after all. Make it however you feel. Now, with that said, wash and dry the leeks. Be careful because these superhero onions hide their dirt and shame inside their long leaves. Gotta get deep down into their secret identity to clean them properly. Then cut off the root stem and the darker green leaves. The tender white section, we're going to quarter and we're going to boil it. The darker greens will get washed, cleaned, dried, and we're going to reserve them and save it for a stock. But we're not going to be using the darker greens in this particular dish. Once the leeks have been prepped, add some olive oil, some good olive oil, to a heated skillet so we can now brown the leek whites. We're going to place them into the heated skillet and we're going to basically let these cook until they get browned. Some of the outer leaves may actually burn. So if that happens, remove those and then add the remaining tender leaves to a blender. At this point, we're going to add a little bit of salt and then a nice chunk of feta cheese. You don't need to really break it up, but I break up my chunk a little bit. The blender action will take care of it. But slide that feta into the mixture, and then we're going to ladle in a ladle of some of the starchy pasta water, then blitz. We're then going to add the pasta to a bowl and then top the pasta with the feta leek sauce. I wish I could name this, but I don't know what's the proper terminology for feta leek sauce. It's not like Pomodoro or Alfredo or Matriciano. Like there's just, I don't know the word for it. There's got to be a term. There seems to be a term for everything. Once you've added the sauce to the pasta, stir to combine, and obviously enjoy. Feel free to switch things up if you feel. Change the seasonings, change the herbs, use other cheeses. If you don't have feta, use Parmesan. Please let me know what you think. If you made this, did you tweak it at all? How did you change it? How did you improve it? I'm sure you've improved it. Is there anything you would do differently? I'd absolutely love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.